Hello everyone, welcome to class. My name is Kurt Konda and I will be your professor for Sociology 110. I like to do a little video to start each class to introduce myself to you all and kind of explain some key points in the syllabus. Everything I'm going to talk about is found elsewhere, but this is a good way to highlight the most important parts of class. First, a little about me. I'm Kurt Konda. I am 40 years old. I live in Wichita, Kansas. I'm married, have 2 kids, a 9-year-old and a 4-year-old. I have my undergraduate degree in history and my master's in sociology, and I have worked as an applied sociologist in public health since 2005 at the KU School of Medicine in Wichita. So, I have quite a good, strong mix of teaching experience, academic experience, and real-life practical experience that I bring to the table, and I'm happy to share my knowledge and insight with you, and hopefully this will be a very fun and exciting class for us. To help us get to know each other, there is an ice-breaking exercise. It's not a real-time class, but it's still good for me to get to know you and us and everybody else that's in the class right now. So we'll do a little more on introductions later on as class gets going, but that's me. Big things to know about this class. First, I'm going to point out the differences between this and a real online class, a normal one. This will not have discussion boards because this is self-paced. So there's no set cohort of students all in here at the same 8 weeks as you would for an online class. You kind of come and go at your own pace. So in lieu of discussion questions, you will have short answer questions that will be turned into me, and there will not be interaction with other students, just interaction with me. But the quizzes you take online, the assignments, the content, everything else is the same as a regular online class. You're just going to do it at your own pace. You can go as quickly or as slowly as you like. I think Upper Iowa has some of their own requirements about being active every 6 months, some bare minimums that you and your advisor can talk about. But in terms of my class, whenever you're ready to compete one section, you go to the next. Your units will open up 1 unit at a time. There are a total of 8 units. The first unit and every unit thereafter will open up when you complete your final assignment, which is the written reflection on that material. And again, there's more on those assignments on the course, but each unit you will do 2 short answer questions, a point to ponder, which is a very directed paper. I'm going to give you a question, something to consider. We're going to kind of apply concepts from that unit. I'm going to ask you to write a short paper on that. And then you will write a reflection paper each week, which serves as a journaling exercise. And the importance of that is not to summarize what you read or tell me what was in the book. I want to know how you reacted to something. So if you read about gender and the pay gap makes you mad, write about the pay gap and how it's unfair, or what the causes are, or what you think about it. So these are very personal things using the material as a point of departure. So this would be real life discussion in class, not a summary, not a homework type assignment verbatim. I can read the book, you can read the book. I want to know what you think. So that's the point of those assignments. And that's going to be the cycle each unit. You read the course material, you complete those same set of assignments, and as you finish the last one, the final reflection for the week, or the unit in this case, you'll turn that in, the next unit will open up, and you will finish class that way, so on and so forth. So that's how class goes. There is a class questions thread that is always open. My email is listed in the syllabus, and so is my phone number. So there are plenty of ways to get hold of me if you have questions. I monitor the course. You're on your own. I'm not going to pester you, but it's self-paced, but you're not on an island either. So if you need help, reach out. If not, great. Enjoy class. Look forward to seeing all you can accomplish. And pleasure to meet you. Take care.